hours are getting longer, and this outlet's messing with the time. Part of me thinks I should get out of this state of mind. And these walls have never felt heavier. I know they're all filled with rust, but we've a mutual understanding of each other. I don't rat and I don't get lice. I woke up this morning and rolled back over again. I couldn't face the day, but when I finally rolled out, I had so much to say. I had so much to say. But you can't have conversations if you can't keep yourself awake. You've no idea how much energy it takes to keep my eyes from falling into a big dark sleep from which they'll never return. And in my dreams, the door closes and this classroom is filled with snakes. Well, you know exactly what you're about to say, so please just stop. And you know exactly what's about to happen, so take me back to the place where my heart jumped. Well, I know exactly what you're about to say, so please just stop. And I know exactly what's about to happen, so take me back to the place where my heart dropped. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Everybody's making up their stories, and sure enough, the truth is there. But it's small, it's like picking a booger out from your hair. And I'm fine with second glances and double takes. I've done it a lot, so don't be ashamed. But still, all the same, you know it's kinda rude to stare. Well, I know exactly what you're about to say, so please just stop. And you know exactly what's about to happen, so take me back to the place where my heart dropped. Well, I know exactly what you're about to say, yeah, so please just stop. And I know exactly what's about to happen, so take me back to the place where my heart dropped. 'Cause I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Don't tell me not to wear sunglasses when I want. I'm a changed man. Well, I guess it's hard to say I'm technically still underage, but I'm trying as hard as I can. And I know you probably think I couldn't make that much, or I didn't have a voice. But as of right now, I'm gonna take my chance while I still got a choice. I'm used to people telling me that I should. And I'm used to people telling me that I never could. Well, I'm used to people telling me that I should. But frankly, I'm not used to people telling me that I really would. Used to people telling me that I should. And I'm used to people telling me that I never could. Well, I'm used to people telling me that I should. But frankly, I'm not used to people telling me that I really would. Well, I'm used to people telling me that I should. Well, I'm used to people telling me that I never would. Well, I'm used to people telling me that I should. But frankly, I'm not used to people telling me that I really could. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Applause for like 6 people. Fuck yeah. I'm hearing sound